Hey beauties! Welcome back to my channel. I share everything about skincare, beauty hacks, and achieving that flawless glow. Let me ask you, have you ever wondered how to get that Korean glass skin look? The kind where your skin looks poreless, smooth, and glowing like you just walked out of a skincare commercial. Well, today I'm sharing a step-by-step Korean skincare routine that you can easily do at home. And the best part, it only takes 7 days to see noticeable results. Trust me, you don't need expensive products or complicated routines, just consistency and the right techniques. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's dive right in. Step 1. Double cleansing. The first and arguably most crucial step is double cleansing. Throughout the day, your skin accumulates dirt, oil, sunscreen, and pollution. Just using a water-based cleanser isn't enough. Start with an oil-based cleanser. Don't worry, even if you have oily skin, using an oil cleanser actually helps balance your skin's natural oils. Massage it gently in circular motions, especially around your nose, forehead, and jawline where dirt accumulates the most. This step melts away makeup and impurities you can't even see. Next, follow up with a gentle water-based cleanser. I recommend using lukewarm water. Too hot can dry out your skin, and too cold won't effectively cleanse. This two-step method ensures your skin is perfectly clean and ready to absorb the next products. Step 2. Exfoliation. Next is exfoliation, but don't overdo it. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells, making your skin instantly brighter and smoother. Choose between a chemical exfoliant, like AHA or BHA, or a gentle physical scrub. I personally love chemical exfoliants for that deep, clean feeling without the harsh scrubbing. Apply gently and avoid sensitive areas like under your eyes. After exfoliating, your skin will feel super soft and look refreshed. Step 3. Toner. Toning is often skipped, but it's a game changer. A good toner restores your skin's pH balance, tightens pores, and preps your skin to absorb serums and moisturizers better. Opt for a hydrating toner, preferably alcohol-free, to avoid dryness. Pour a few drops onto a cotton pad or directly into your palms, then pat gently into your skin. Patting boosts blood circulation, giving you that natural glow. Step 4. Essence. Essence is the heart of Korean skincare. It's lighter than a serum, but packed with hydrating and anti-aging benefits. Take a small amount and gently tap it into your skin. Focus on areas that tend to be dry or dull. Over the week, you'll notice your skin becoming more radiant and plump. Don't skip this step, it's essential for achieving that glass skin effect. Step 5. Serum. If you're dealing with pigmentation or dullness, go for a vitamin C serum. For hydration, hyaluronic acid is your best friend. Want to tackle fine lines? A niacinamide or peptide serum is perfect. Apply 2 to 3 drops, gently pressing it into your skin. Don't rub harshly, your skin deserves kindness. Consistent use for a week will show noticeable improvements in your skin texture and glow. Step 6. Moisturizer. Moisturizing locks in all the previous layers of hydration. Even if you have oily skin, skipping moisturizer is a big no-no. Go for a lightweight, gel-based formula if you're prone to oiliness. For dry skin, a cream-based moisturizer works wonders. Apply in upward motions. This helps prevent sagging over time. Plus, who doesn't love a little face massage? It improves blood circulation and gives you an instant glow. Step 7. Sunscreen. Here's the golden rule: never skip sunscreen during the day. UV rays are one of the biggest culprits behind aging, pigmentation, and dullness. No matter how perfect your routine is, without SPF, you're exposing your skin to damage. Use at least SPF 30, apply generously, and reapply every 2 to 3 hours if you're outdoors. And yes, you still need sunscreen even on cloudy days or when you're indoors with lots of sunlight coming through windows. Pair this with a calming herbal tea, and your skin and mind will thank you. And there you have it, your 7-day Korean skincare routine for achieving glass skin at home. Remember, consistency is key. Don't get discouraged if you don't see dramatic results overnight. Good things take time, but trust me, you'll love the transformation. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, comment below with your skincare goals, and share this with someone who needs a skincare glow up. And of course, subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay glowing.